Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today new AutoCAD Lisp is sharing with you. This Lisp is about physical unit conversion. You can easily convert length in different units, for example temperature, degree to radian, force units, area, and there are more units you can easily convert by using AutoCAD Lisp in AutoCAD Palette U. Watch the complete tutorial to the end, and who are new on our channel, subscribe it and push the bell icon for new coming update tutorial. Watch the tutorial. How is this working when we need to convert units with our requirements? Now good luck.